Hello guys, Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuhu. This is Mr. Inam. Welcome to our English teaching videos. Today we have a common lecture and an easy lecture, that is common greetings and expressions. Of course, in English we have to understand, we have to learn the common expressions and greetings. When we meet with the people, we use some special kind of sentences there and some special kind of expression there. So definitely we have to make our conversation good and we have to get started with great conversation. Okay, so first of all, we have some words that when we use for the first time, when we meet with the people, even that is familiar, unknown or known to you, but you use some words to get their attentions toward you. Okay, that is hi, hey, hello, hello there, hi guys, and many more. For example, you say hello guys, hello friends, hello classmates, okay, and hello buddies, etc. Hello dudes. You can use these kind of words when you get the attention of the people towards you. After that, we use some words especially in business mood or in business life, when we meet our boss, when we meet with co-workers, etc. So we can use these expressions there. Good morning, if the time is morning, and good afternoon, good evening. These are the common expressions when we meet with the people in business field or etc. and companies, etc. So there we use these common expression to get their attention and to start conversation with them. This is also common greeting when you meet with the people in business field. Okay, after that, then we start a conversation when we have friends or family members, etc., or even that the person is not known to you. You are discussing, you are conversating with for the first time with the person, so you can also use these expression. And then there are some formal and some are informal, so you have to be careful there. I'm going to tell you, I'm going to teach you which are formal and which are informal. Okay, the first expression and sentence, the question is how are you? This is a common expression you have heard many times in your life, that when the people meet, so definitely they ask about, the first question is that how are you? It is also a formality in human being that when they meet, they ask about the health of each other and etc. So the first and the most common is how are you? Okay, after you have how are you doing? How are you doing? This is also a common expression used everywhere with the people you know and even that you don't know. What's up? Especially with friends, when we know the person, that what's up, and then what's new. When you talk to the friend for some time, this expression has different places in your conversation. Even that when you started at the starting point, that what's new, man? I'm asking to my friend, I'm discussing with my friend, what's new? And in the middle of the conversation, that when we have discussed about all the things and now I want to conversate, I want to discuss, I want to talk, I want to hear something from you, so I can use this expression there, what's new, man? Okay, then what's going on? It's also a common expression, what's going on? How have you been? This is also an informal expression that you cannot use this with the people you don't know. You are meeting for the first time and you are talking for the first time. This can be used only with the people that you know before and you have met them before. How do you do? This is also a common expression. How is it going? It is informal. How is it going? For example, you're discussing with your friend, you're talking that on mobile or on chat or even that face to face. How is it going? How is things, etc. like this? This is common way. Okay, how is everything? This is also for the people you know. How is everything? It doesn't mean that you are talking about the things there, but it's a general that you are talking about that how is going your life, or you say that how are you. So there is no problem in that when you use with the people during conversation or at the starting point of the conversation. How are things? How is life? This is also a good question, common question and common expression in English, that when ask about the people, okay, how is time, how is day, etc. like that you can ask about. How is your work? If somebody is working, you can ask about his work also, that how is your work? How is your family? How is your brother? If you talk about another person in there, how is your friend? How is your father? You can use this expression. How is your day? and how is your day going. This is also a common expression used by English speakers many times with the people conversating and they are discussing with. Okay, there are some more expressions that we use when we show the other person and when we let the other person feel good about the meeting we have just with him. Okay, so it's a pleasure to meet you. When you want the other person to feel good, the meeting you are doing and the discussion, the conversation you are doing with. Okay, so it's a pleasure to meet you. Mean that I'm happy to see you. I'm happy to discuss you. I'm happy to talk to you. Okay. Good to see you. In short, you say it's good to see you, or you say good to see you, nice to see you, nice to meet you. Okay, remember these two words, see you and meet. See and meet here. And greeting, see and meet have common and similar meaning. But if you think that exactly and you go behind the path, so you will find that see has different meaning and meet has different meaning. But here generally when you are discussing about and you are you mean to say about the greetings, so definitely these two words have similar meanings. For example, I can say that see you later. We say that see you later, and I can say that meet you later. If I meet you and I say that this expression nice to see you, I can also say that nice to meet you. So these expressions, these words are similar here. They have the same meaning here in conversation. Okay, I am pleased to see you. I am happy to see you. I am pleased to see you. Long time no see. When you have not met for a long time with your friend or any other person you know well, so you had met him before a long time, but it's been long time that you have not met with, so long time no see. You're discussing to the person. Okay, it's been a while we have not met. These are common expressions you can use in your conversation when you meet the people for the first time or for a second, third time you have met before. No problem with that. So you have to use this common expression in your English, and it improves it. They improve your English. This way of conversation, you have to use different expression in your conversation to with the people. So thank you so much for watching. In the next lecture, we are going to have the answers and all the expressions we give in the reply or in the response of these questions. Thank you so much for watching. Bye bye for now.